At noon pa man daw, nakasama na rin niya si Pacquiao.
Talaga nakita ko siya, kahit bago pa siya, magaling talaga. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya noon, pare mag-world champion ka, sabi ko sa kanya. Kasi nakita ko yung galing niya, iba eh. Sparring kami talagang kakaiba ang galing niya, ang bilis.
Dahil malapit si Melchor kay Pacquiao, naging madali para sa kanyang misis na personal ding makita ang kanyang idolo. Pero may inamin sa amin si Nicole.
How does it feel like that your husband looks alike Manny?
Well, it's because it's probably why I married him.
Alright.
Ang iba namang mga Amerikano, kanya-kanya ring pambato sa laban nila Pacquiao at Diaz.
I think David will.
Why do you think so?
Well, he's got that killer hook. He's got a good sucker punch right there. He's quick. Very, very quick.
Pound for pound, Manny Pacquiao is probably one of the greatest fighters of all time. David Diaz.
Why do you think so?
This is the way he's built. Go Pacquiao. Let's do it. Get it done, my man.
Panibagong hamon, panibagong kalaban. Sa June 29, buong Pilipinas muling magkakaisa, muling magdarasal. Na sana muling makapag-uwi ng karangalan si Pacquiao.